Are you over the age of 40 and suffering from weight loss resistance syndrome? Weight loss resistance syndrome is categorized as increased weight gain, particularly around the tummy, harder and harder to lose weight, decreased energy, and frequent mood swings. If you're suffering from any of those, this video is for you. Hey everybody, I'm Brian, founder of FatLossAfter40.com. Today I want to talk to you about the magic of your metabolism and how that can help you crush weight loss resistance syndrome. If you follow these three things, you'll see the results that you desire and deserve. So number one, the magic of strength training, strength rules, because nothing ignites your metabolism like strength training, especially after the age of 40. So what happens when we strength train is that burns calories during the workout, but it also burns calories for up to 72 hours after the workout. We call that the afterburn effect. Super important, because that's the holy grail. You do a workout on Monday, you're still burning calories on Wednesday from that workout. That is super important. As a side note, cardio burns calories while in motion, but if you're doing a spin class or a treadmill or something like that, you burn calories during it. But when you stop at motion, the calorie burn stops. So there's really no benefit there other than the heart, the lungs. For sure, it's good for the body. But as far as fat loss, skip the cardio, do the strength. All right, second is protein power. The magic in protein is it helps you to feel full. It keeps your metabolism elevated, so putting fuel on the fire, and it helps give you more energy throughout the day, which is super important. So the more energy you have, the less mood swings you're going to have, the more energy you're going to have to do the things that you want to do. You're going to have more confidence, greater self-esteem. All that goes with having regulated protein intake. Now, what I'm saying is I'm not saying to eliminate carbs. I'm not saying to eliminate fat and eat just protein. What I'm saying is to make sure you can have 100 grams at least of protein a day spread out through each meal. If you do that, again, that's going to keep your mood swings or your mood elevated. It's going to keep your energy elevated, and it's going to help you burn more fat. Number three is hormone harmony. Super important. The magic of hormone harmony is keeping your hormones in alignment, making sure that your cortisol levels are decreased, that your testosterone levels are elevated, that your estrogen levels are regulated, that your insulin levels are under control. Because when those are out of whack and out of harmony, it's your body is resisting fat loss. And that's typically what happens. When you go on a real low calorie diet, starvation diet, it throws your hormones off, making it harder to lose weight. When you do like super hard workouts, the soul crushing, long workouts, those HIIT workouts, it makes it hard because it throws your hormones out. But when you find the right workout and the right meal and done the right way that works with your body harmoniously, your body will start to lose weight naturally. Your body wants to lose weight. Your body wants to be you again. It just needs to have the right program. So follow these three things. It works like magic. Bust through weight loss resistance syndrome and be your best version of yourself. I'm Brian.